Hi guys, I'm Harshad and this is the first product which I have bought from shoptheworld.com and this is the first time that I ordered with Shop the World. So I'm going to unbox this package which I received today, which is kind of a fast delivery. Now the good thing about Shop the World is it is less costlier than what you purchase on the established uh, online shopping portals like Amazon, Flipkart, and that's the reason I purchased from Shop the World. You see the name of here. Let's see. I'm going to unbox it now. Here it goes. I'm quite excited. Opening the box. It's quite a nice package that they have, packed very well. Here comes the airway wheel on top of it, and there's a taping which says "Thank you" all over. That's wonderful. To get this passed out, bit. And here's the last tape remaining. So good way that they have taped the product very well so that it remains safe. And here's the last tape remaining. So good way that they have taped the product very well so that it remains safe in the box. And sorry. So here goes the label behind. And here's the box. I open the box now. So here comes the bill out. And here's another pack inside, which is bubble wrapped. The box aside. Open the bubble wrap. The bubble wrap quality also seems to be nice, better than what the other portals do. And there comes my phone, Motorola H20, which is the first product which I purchased from Shop the World, and that's how I'm really happy with Shop the World. And I was quite no initially when I went to the website, I was kind of dicey whether I should purchase from Shop the World. I just called their customer support and Sudarshan Naikar from the customer support team. He assured me that you can purchase from Shop the World and we will make sure that we deliver what you have ordered. I know I never had this experience either on Amazon or Flipkart when I purchased something or a phone. I know some people have also received soaps inside the box, so I'm sure I'm not going to receive that. Oh wow, that's in there, my phone. That's wonderful. Thank you very much, Shop the World, for doing a wonderful job and delivering the product very much in advance. I was expecting this somewhere around 30th of January, but I received it a day earlier. So that's the phone. Thank you very much, Shop the World, once again. Thank you, Sudarshan, for doing such a fantabulous job. Thank you very much. Bye.